Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-REX Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the select button. Keep holding the button until you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen, and once you see the logo you can release the button and then wait until the watch is done booting up, and once it's done you will see the list of languages on the screen, and you can scroll through it, find the language you would like to use, tap on it to select it, and then you will see the QR code on the screen. Once you see the QR code, you will need to download and install the ZEP application on your iPhone. And to do that we need to open the App Store. Of course, you need to have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled, so make sure you do. And then open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in ZEP with 2 P's, and then tap on search, and you should see this application ZEP. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the get button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you should see the open button. You can tap on it to open the application. In the app, once it opens, you should see the login page. And if you don't have an account, because you will need to log in into AMAZFIT account, you can always make a new one by tapping on sign up. Or if you have an account, tap on login to basically go further. I already have an account, so I'm gonna use my email address and password to log in. Okay, but you can always use the third-party accounts like Apple, Facebook or Google. But anyway, once you enter the email address and password, tap on login, and after you log in, you will see some pop-ups on the screen about the permissions. For example, here we have the Bluetooth permission. Oh, never mind. Location permission first. So, location permission is useful for the couple features like local weather, tracking your route on the map while you're cycling or running and stuff like that. If you want to use it, or any of these features, tap on allow while using the app. Next we have the Bluetooth permission, tap on allow. This one is recommended to allow it. Next we have the notifications permission. This is not required, but if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you will need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. And here we can skip this, and now you should see the health access. And here you can allow the app to write and read the data for some health features. And if you want to use those health features, you will need to allow them right here. I'm just gonna tap on turn on all and then tap on allow, but you can customize this to your liking. And now you should see the home page. You can skip through the tutorial by tapping on the arrows here. Okay. And now you should see the home page. Tap on the device icon, select the watch category, tap on agree, allow, and now we need to point the iPhone's camera on the watch to scan the QR code from the watch. Like this. And once you scan the QR code, we will start pairing. Tap on pair. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Tap on the check mark on the watch to confirm. Allow or deny the permission for the fitness activity. If you see this page, tap on done. Here we can enable the calendar sync. This is useful if you want to see the notifications from your calendar on your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on skip. If you want to enable it, tap on enable and allow full access. And then tap on done, and you should see the device page, and on it you should see your AMAZFIT T-REX Ultra, which means that the devices are paired together, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.